Thelindabradley from Princess House. So it is the beginning of 2022. And for a lot of people, their goal is to eat healthier. And so tonight I want to show you a set of cookware that actually can help you with that. Because the cookware that I'm going to show you is the non-stick. Now the advantage of non-stick cookware is that these pieces can be used without any oils or fats. Even the skillets, when I make my eggs in the morning, I don't add anything. And so every little teaspoon of oil that you use is 120 calories. Every pat of butter counts. So non-stick will actually help you with your health goals because you don't have to add as much fats and oils. They also clean up beautifully. So if you're not familiar, here's a quick rundown. Princess House carries all different kinds of cookware. This is our non-stick cookware. The base is stainless steel, so it's 1810 stainless steel, and in the bottom is a thick disc of aluminum. And what that does is it helps your foods heat up fast. It helps them heat up with no hot spots. And even if you have a large piece on a small burner, they all cook evenly. Our non-stick inside is not Teflon. It is made from a company that's called Whitford. The product is called Eterna. You can look it up. It is the longest, strongest, most durable non-stick in the world. What's really cool about it is number one, no PFOA, so no dangerous chemicals. You can use these either on your stove. They can go in your oven up to 350 degrees with the lids, up to 450 degrees without the lids. Also, what they've done with these pieces that's nice is the lids, as you can see, are beautiful. They are clear, and then they also have the etching on it. But the lids were made to go right over top, so if you hang your pots, they can all stay together, which is really kind of cool. But the thing that I love the most about these is not only are they dishwasher safe, but they have a lifetime warranty. And I'm talking non-stick. Now you guys know when you buy cheap cookware, I mean, you can certainly buy it cheap, but you're going to be buying it over and over again because it doesn't last. And non-stick cookware doesn't last. So the fact that it has a lifetime warranty, if there's ever an issue with it, we send it right back to the company. They give you a brand new piece. So my email is thelindabradley@gmail.com. Let me show you this set that I put together that's going to help get your whole New Year's off on a great start. So I put together a set that has, I think, everything that you need for your kitchen. So here is the 8-inch skillet. So this is good for your breakfast, right? Or if you're a smaller family, you can use that for lunch as well. And then you're going to get a 10-inch skillet that's a little bit different than this. I didn't get it yet. I'm waiting for it to come in. It is twice as deep. So this is a really nice 10-inch skillet, but it'll be nice to have the depth to it. And then when you cook some of your meals, you can be able to have plenty of room. And again, remember, they can go in your oven too. I cooked a meal last night that you started it on your stove and you ended it in your oven. So that worked out really, really well. So we have an 8-inch, we have a 10-inch. Then, of course, we need some saucepans. So this is a 3-quart. This is a great size for mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, vegetables. This has pour spouts on the side, and if you look, it has straining lids. So they're made of silicone so they don't scratch. So something like your pasta, you can strain it right into the sink, and you don't even need a colander. So this is 3 quarts. That's good for your everyday cooking. If you need a bigger one, this is 7.5 quarts, and it's the exact same thing. The 1810 stainless steel, the non-stick inside, has the pour spout, has the straining lid. So this is good to make like your soups or stews, big batches of pasta, anything like that. And then I'm going to include one of my absolute favorite items. This was my #1 seller for probably about 10 years. And this is the 13-inch non-stick griddle. So you can see how nice and large it is. This piece is awesome. Remember what I told you? We call this the little, what do we say, the BLD? Nope. BLD? Yeah, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm thinking the LBD, like the little black dress. There you go, but that's in the reverse order. But if you can see how big this is, so you can use this to make 5 pancakes, 5 pieces of French toast. Obviously, you can use it for your eggs, your potatoes, and your meats all in one pan. And knowing that it can go in your oven, you can use it for grilled cheese, pizza, cookies, cookie cake. I make cookie cake for my kids that are grown now every year for their birthday, and this is the pan that I use. So I love this griddle. It can be used for so many things. It has a nice about 1 inch up on the side, and like I said, one of our most popular items. So This entire set is going to be a layaway set, and you can get this by starting with just $140 and then making 10 weekly payments of $42.30, and then it's yours. We can ship it anywhere in the United States for you. If you don't want to wait, you can pay in full, right? You don't have to take the 10 weeks, that's up to you. But I have two bonuses that I want to tell you about, okay? The first is when you do buy this set, buy from me, I will give you this little, my favorite little thing. This is we call it our baby griddle, and it's made the exact same way all of our other pieces are, but it's a small square griddle. So this is perfect for smaller meals. It's great for one grilled cheese sandwich, right? Just a couple of fried eggs, something like that. And then I also want to let you know that there is a bonus offer that I can make available to you. So if you are interested in purchasing this set, I can also give you, these are our very famous Marbella. I hope you can see the pattern. The Marbella white, creamy white pasta bowls. You're going to get a set of 8 and 8 of the Amalia soup spoons. And I can give you that as a bonus for $25. You heard me right. So this way you'll have an opportunity to take advantage of all of these pieces. If you don't want the Marbella set, you don't have to take it. That's why I put it on as an extra. So the set that I'm telling you about tonight is for these pieces: the 13-inch griddle, the 3-quart silicone strainer, the 8-inch skillet, the 10-inch deep skillet, the 7.5 quart, and then of course your bonus of this. You start with $140 and then you make 10 payments of just $42.30. So reach out to me, Thelindabradley at gmail.com. This way you'll be able to take advantage of starting the year off right. And I'm going to tell you, if you don't have any of our cookware yet, first of all, it has a lifetime guarantee and it has a money back guarantee. But I want to tell you that when you start cooking in quality cookware, you see the difference. It is a huge difference, and you don't realize it until you use quality cookware. So definitely check it out. They're good on all stovetops: gas, electric, the flat top, the ceramic, and even induction, all of them. All right? So Thelindabradley at gmail.com. Come grab our non-stick set and have a very healthy and happy 2022. Happy New Year.